Now I'm going to discuss about some activities to improve your communication skills. So I'll be discussing about two activities that can help us to improve our communication skills. So the first activity is communication origami. Have you heard about this activity? Communication origami. Most of you might have heard about it, and those who have not, let me tell you. So as you can see on the screen, I'm going to read it out. This is a quick and easy activity that shows how the same instructions are interpreted differently by different people and highlights the importance of clear communication. We are all different from one another. Our choices, our likes, dislikes, our opinions, our thoughts, everything, our interpretations, our perceptions, everything is different from one another. Sometimes it might be similar and sometimes it might not be. So that is very common. So this is a game which is going to show that how the same instruction is interpreted differently by different people. Now I am going to tell you how this works. Suppose there are 10 people in a room and I am going to provide paper to each participant, A4 size paper to each participants. So then I will also let the participants know that I will be giving them step by step instructions on how to fold the piece of paper into an origami shape. The next thing the participants have to do is close their eyes and mouths and follow the instructions that are given. So now I will give instructions on how to fold the paper into the origami shape of your own choice, of the participant's choice. Once the instructions have all been given, and when everyone open their eyes and compare their shapes with the intended shape, what the participants are going to find? The participants will find that each and every shape is a little bit different from the other. Now from this what we can understand? That each paper looks different even though I have given the same instructions to everybody. So what does this mean? What does this actually mean? So it means that we all interpret the information we get differently. That's why it is very important to ask questions and confirm understanding to ensure the communicated message is not distorted. So that is why one needs to interact, not only listen or not only speak. Interaction is very necessary so as to understand the actual meaning of the message. The next activity is follow all the instructions. So I'm going to read this again. This is a quick fun activity with a little trick to see how many of the participants will actively listen and follow the one single instruction that you will give them. Read all instructions first, and how many will rush and start doing each instruction one by one and start doing each instruction one by one. So this is basically an activity with which includes a lot of instructions, mainly silly instructions. So by the time you reach the last instruction, that is going to identify who is following the direction and who is not. So the first and the only verbal instruction that is given to the participants is to read all the written instructions first before engaging in any of the directives. The first person to complete the list will be declared the winner of the activity. So, this is a fun way to see who is paying attention and who is skipping the most vital instructions. So, I hope this was useful. Thank you so much.